What's up YouTube and welcome to this video. Today we will talk about a famous JavaScript error that annoys the beginners as well as some experienced developer from time to time. So let's make a new HTML page and here let's define the basic structure, and after that let's define a paragraph and some random text within it, and let's give it an ID of para 1 and class paras. So now let's define a script, and here I will say document dot get element by id para 1 dot inner html to hello world. Now what do you think will happen? Let's see and find out. So you can see that the text has not been changed, and if I right click, inspect, go to console, it's saying that cannot set properties of null. It's talking about this property inner HTML. It's saying that you are trying to do this. Okay, so it's saying that you are trying to set the properties of something which is null. And why it is null? It is because so these are case sensitive. So if I correct the capital P around here, the text will now change and there is no error. Another common mistake that beginners do is, let's say an element int is defined like this. Now the first thing which comes to our mind is para1 could be an ID. So if you define it like this, then it will give the error. And you would say that this spelling is exactly the same, but we have defined the attribute class, not ID. So this could be a reason that you would be getting this error. So to avoid these errors, you must know that always name your ID like this, or you could say first para. We define IDs like this, which indicates that they are a singular entity, and we define classes like paras or to avoid confusion. And you can also do this, define everything in small case and put minus between your words. So if I want to define first para, define it like this. So when you are typing here, you could never go wrong. If you still think that you could make a mistake, just copy from the ID so you never make the same mistakes. So this is all for the video. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to the channel. See you next time.